Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Al Munir High School e-learning system. This is your maths lecture. Today we are going to do unit 3 of your maths wise, factors and multiples. Exercise 3a. Fill in the blanks with appropriate digits to make the numbers divisible by 11. Divisible by 11. 7, 6, missing number 2. Question number 2, 3, 4, A part and B part. Start. Let's go. Start A part. Part 1. 7 plus 1 equal 8, 7 plus 1 equal 8, 6 plus 2 equal 8, 8 minus 8 equal 0. 7612 is divisible by 11. Part 2. 1012, 0 missing number. 1012 missing number. 1 plus 1 equal 2. 0 plus 2 equal 2, 2 minus 2 equal 0. 1012 is divisible by 11. Part 3. 27,1909 as 7 plus 9, 2 missing number. 2 missing number है. 71,909, 2 missing number. 7 plus 9 plus 9, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 7 25, 2 plus 1 plus 0 equal 3, 25 minus 3 equal 22, which is a multiple of 11. So 2,71,909 is divisible by 11. 2 missing number 457, 28457. 2 plus 4 plus 7, 2 plus 4 plus 7 equal 13. 8 plus 5 equal 13. 13 minus 13 equal 0. 28,457 is divisible by 11. Part B. Divisible by 9. 7, 6 missing number and 2. 76 minus 2. 7, 6, 3, 2. 7 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 equal 18. 18 is a multiple of 9. 7, 6 missing number and 2 is divisible by 9. Is divisible by 9. 7,632 is divisible by 9. Part 2. 1 missing number and 12. 1012. 1012. 1 plus 5 plus 1 plus 2 equal 9. 9 is a multiple of 9. 1512 is divisible by 9. Missing number 7199. 7199. 1 plus 7 plus 9 plus 1 plus 9 equal 27. 7 1 8, 8 1 9, 9 2 the 18, 9 3 the 27. So 9 plus 9 plus 9 27. 27 is a multiple of 9. 17,199 is divisible by 9. Is divisible by 9. As 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 equal 18. 18 is a multiple of 9. 2,457 is divisible by 9. Exercise 3a. Question 1. Part C. Divisible by 8. 76 missing number and 2 divisible by 8. As last two digits 3 2. Last two digit 3 2 are as last digit 3 2 are divisible by 8. 7632 is divisible by 8. 1312 as last 3 digits is divisible by 8. 312 last 3 digit is divisible by 8. 1312 is divisible by 8. Part number 3. 719 and last 3 digits are divisible by 8. Last 9192. 7192 is divisible by 8. 7192. 9200 equal 92,008 as last 3 digits are divisible by 8. 92,008 is divisible by 8. Part D. Part D divisible by 25. 767. 7675 as last 2 digits are divisible by 5. 75. 25 3 the 75. So 7675 is divisible by 25. 9815 equal to 9850. 98,150 as last 2 digits are divisible by 25. 98,150 is divisible by 25. 762. 7625 as last 2 digits are divisible by 25. 7625 is divisible by 290 and 2900 as last 2 digits are 00. 2900 is divisible by 25. Question number 2. A composite number can always be expressed as a sum of 2 primes. For example, 4, 2 plus 2 equal 4, 3 plus 5 equal 8, 3 plus 3 equal 6, 2 plus 7 equal 9. Express the following composite as a sum of primes 15, 24, 36, 40, 56. A. 15, 2 plus 13 equal 15, 36, 13 plus 23, 3 plus 3, 6, 2 plus 1, 3, 36. 56 equal 13 plus 43, 3 plus 3, 6, 4 plus 1, 5. 56 equal 56. Part C. 20b 24. 11 plus 13, 3 plus 1 equal 4, 1 plus 1 equal 2. 11 plus 29, 9 plus 1 equal 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 2 equal 3, 3 plus 1 carry wala 4, 40. Factorization. Question number 3. Prime factorization. Breaking up a number into its prime factor is called prime factorization. Index notation. Index notation. Repetitive multiplication can be written more efficiently by using index notation, index, singular index or powers as exponent. For example, for 2 multiplied by 2, 2 exponent index 2 square, 2 square. 8, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 2 cube, 2 cube. 16, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digit, 2 power 4, 2 raised to the power 4. Exercise 3a. Find the prime factorization of the following numbers and express in index notation. Write your answer in your notebook. 96, B part 144, 96. 2 4 is 8, 1 carry, 2 8 is 16, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6, 3 1 is 3. 96. Factors of 96. 2 multiplied by 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 3. 1 2 3 4 5. 2 power 5 multiplied by 3 power 1. Index notation form. B part 144. 144, 144, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 3 the 6, 1 carry, 2 6 the 12, 2 18 the 36, 2 9 the 18, 3 3 the 9, 3 1 the 3, 144, 2 multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 3, 1 2 3 4, 2 power 4, multiply 3 square, index notation. 3b. Exercise: express these numbers as a product of their prime factors and then express them in index form. Part A, 36. 2 18s are 36, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 2 multiply by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 3, 2 square, multiply by 3 square, 64, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 multiply by 2, 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 1 2 3 4 5 6 digit, 2 power 6. Part C, 3 3 to the 6, 2 carry, 21, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 81, 3 multiply by 3, multiply by 3, index form 3 power 4. Part D, 100, 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 2 multiply by 2, multiply by 5, multiply by 5, 2 square, multiply by 5 square, index notation. Part E, 576, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 2 8s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 18s are 36, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 576, 2 multiply by 2, 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 multiply by 3, multiply by 3, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, 2 power 6, multiply by 3 square, to index form. Exercise 3b. Exercise 3b, 600, F 600, 2 3 the 6 00, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10 0, 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10 0, 2 150, 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, only 75, 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 600, 2 multiply by 2, multiply by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 5, multiply by 5, multiply by 5, 2 power 4, index form, multiply by 3, multiply by 5 cube, index form. G part, 324, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 3 2s are 6, 2 carry, 21, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 324, 2 multiply by 2, multiply by 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 3, multiply by 3, 2 square, multiply by 3 power 4, index form. Age part, 225, 3 7s are 21, 1 carry, 15, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 1 carry, 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 225, 3 multiply by 3, multiply by 5, multiply by 5, 3 square, multiply by 5 square. I part, 441, 3 1s are 3, 1 carry 14, 3 4s are 12, 2 carry 27, 21, 3 7s are 21, 3 4s are 12, 2 carry 27, 3 9s are 47, 49, 7 7s are 49, 7 1s are 7, 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 7, 3 square multiplied by 7 square, 1000, J part 1000, 2 5s are 10, 0 0, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, 2 cube multiplied by 5 cube. Exercise 3C. Find the HCF of the numbers by prime factorization and express in index form. 66, 72 and 30. 2 3 are 6, 2 3 are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 11 1s are 11. 2 3 are 6, 1 carry 12, 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. 66, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 11, 72, 2 cube multiplied by 3 square, 30, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Common factors 2 and 3, 2 and 3. Highest common factor 2 power 1 multiplied by 3 power 1, 2 3s are 6. Part B. 180, 240 and 270. 180, 2 9s are 18, 0, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 1 5 1s are 5. 182 square multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 5. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 6 are 12, 0, 2 3s are 6, 0, 2 15s are 30, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. 2 power 4 multiply 3 power 1 multiply by 5 square, 270. 3 9s are 27, 0, 3 3s are 9, 0, 3 10s are 30, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5. 2 power 1 multiply by 3 cube multiply by 5 power 1. Common factors 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. Highest common factor 2 multiply by 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Part C. 405, 108 and 306. 3 1s are 3, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. 3 power 4 multiply 5 power 1, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. 2 square multiply by 3 cube, 306. 2 1s are 2, 1 carry 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 3s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 2 51. 3 1s are 3, 3, 3 1s are 3, 2 carry, 3 7s are 21, 17 1s are 17, 3 power 4 multiply by 5 power 1, 2 square multiply by 3 cube, 2 multiply by 3 square multiply by 17. Common factors 3. Highest common factor 3. Exercise 3C. Find the HCF of these numbers by prime factorization and express in index form. 105, 140, 210. 3 3s are 9, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, 5 7s are 35, 7 1s are 7. 2 140, 2 7s are 14, 0, 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, 10, 2 5s are 10, 5 7 are 35, 7 ones are 7, 2 ones are 2, 1 less than value is the 2. So write the 0 and 1 to join to 0, 10, 2 5s are 10, 3 3s are 9, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, 5 7 are 35, 7 1s are 7, 105, 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 7, 108, 2 square multiply by 5 multiply by 7, 210, 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 multiply by 7. Common factors 5 and 7. Highest common factor 5 multiply by 7, 5 7s are 35. Part E. Part E, 400, 750 and 1000. 400, 2 to the 4, 0 0, 2 1s are 2, 0 0, 2 5s are 10, 1 0, 2 25s are 50, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 2 3s are 6, 1 carry, 2 5s, 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 carry 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 2s are 10, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 400. 2 power 4 multiply by 5 square, 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5 cube, and 1000. 2 5s are 10, 0 0, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 5 2s are 10, 2 carry, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 400. 2 power 4 multiply 5 square, 2 multiply by 3 multiply 5 cube, 2 cube multiply by 5 cube. Common factors 2 multiply by 5 square, 2 multiply by 5 square, 5 5s are 25, 25 2s are 50. Exercise 3C, find the ACF of these numbers by prime factorization and express in index form. 507, 807 and 180. 3 1s are 3, 2 carry 20, 3 6 are 18, 2 carry, 3 9s are 27, 13 1s are 13, 3 carry 39, 13 3s are 39, 13 1s are 13, 3 2s are 6, 2 carry 20, 3 6 are 18, 2 carry 27, 3 9s are 27, 269, 269 1s are 269, 180. 2 9s are 18, 0, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 507, 3 multiply by 13 square, 807, 3 multiply by 269, 180, 3 square multiply by 2 square multiply by 5 square. Common factors 3, highest common factor equal 3. G. Part G, 225, 450 and 600. 225, 3 7s are 25, 3 7s are 21, 1 carry, 15, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 3 7s are 21, 3 5s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 2 3s are 6, 0, 0 0, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, 0, 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 3 2s are 6, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 225, 3 square multiply by 5 square, 450, 2 multiply by 3 square multiply by 5 square, 600, 2 cube multiply by 3 multiply by 5 square, 3 multiply by 5 square, 5 square, 5 5s are 25, 25 multiply by 3, 25 3s are 75. Find ACF of these numbers by prime factorization and express in index form. 352, 187 and 121. 352, 2 1s are 2, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, carry, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16, 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 22, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 11 1s are 11, 187, 11 1s are 11, 7 carry, 77, 11 7s are 77, 71s are 77, 11 11s are 121, 11 1s are 11, 1 carry 11, 11 1s are 11, 352, 2 power 5 multiplied by 11, 187, 11 multiplied by 17, 121, 11 multiplied by 11. Highest common factor 11. Exercise 3D. Find the LCM of the following: 18, 30, 50, 10 by division method. 2 9s are 18, 2 15s are 30, 2 25s are 50, 2 5s are 10, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 25 carry and 5 carry. Carry down, 3 1s are 3, 5 carry down, 25 carry down and 5 carry down. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 1 1 1. LCM, least common multiple of 18, 30, 50 and 10. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 2 3s are 6, 6 multiplied by 3, 6 multiplied by 3, 6 multiplied by 3, 18, 18 multiplied by 25, 18 multiplied by 25, 450. Part B, 14, 21, 28 and 20 by division method, by short division method. 14, 21, 28 and 22, 7s are 14, 21 carry down, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 10s are 20, 2 7 carry down, 21 carry down, 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10 and 3 7 carry down, 3 7s are 21, 7 carry down and 5 carry down, 5 5 1s are 5, 7 triple 7 carry down, 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. LCM of 14, 21, 28 and 22, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 multiplied by 5, 60, 60 multiplied by 7 equal 420, 420. Part C, 6, 9, 18, 30 by division method. 2 3s are 6, 9 carry down, 2 9s are 18, 2 15s are 30, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 5 carry down, 5 1s are 5. LCM of 6, 9, 18 and 30. 2 multiplied by 3, 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are 90. 90 is your answer. Part D, 11, 77, 14 and 7 by division method. 11, 77, 14 and 7. 2, 11 carry down, 77 carry down, 2 7s are 14, 7 carry down, 7, 11 carry down, 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 7 11s are 77, 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7, 11, 11 1s are 11, 11 1s are 11. LCM of 11, 77, 14 and 7. 2 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 11, 7 to the 14, 14, 7 to the 14, 14 multiplied by 11, 14 11s are 154. Part E, 35, 63, 28 and 14 by division method. 35, 63, 28, 14. 35 carry down, 63 carry down, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 2 35 carry down, same it is 63 carry down, 2 7s are 14, 7 carry down, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s 35, 35 carry down, 63, 3 to the 6, 3 1s are 3, 7 carry down and 7 carry down, 3 35 carry down, 3 7s are 21, 7 carry down and 7 carry down, 5 7s are 35, and all 7s carry down. 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7 and 7 ones are 7. LCM of 35, 63, 28 and 14 equal 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2s are 40, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 12 3s are 36, 36 multiplied by 5 equal 180, 180 multiplied by 7 equal 1260, 1260. Find the LCM of these numbers by prime factorization and express in index form. In index form by LCM. LCM index form. LCM of these numbers by prime factorization, least common multiple and express in index form. 15, 30, 90, 100. 3 5s are 15, 3 multiplied by 5, 30, 3 10s are 30, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, as it is 90, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 1 carry 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 2 2 5s are 10 0, 2 25s are 50, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 15 3 multiplied by 5, 32 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, 92 multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 5, 100 2 square multiplied by 5 square. Least common multiple 2 square multiplied by 3 square multiplied by 5 square. 2 square 4, 2 2s are 4, 3s are 9, 5 5s are 25, 9 4s are 36, 36 multiplied by 25 equal 900. And part B. Part B 12, 15, 45, 90, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 3 1s are 3, 1 carry 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry 10, 2 5s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 1 carry 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 11. Part D 11, 22, 44, 33 and 44. 11 ones are 11, 2 11s are 22, 3 11s are 33, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 11s are 22. 11 factor of 11 equal 11, factor of 12 11 multiplied by 2, factor of 33 11 multiplied by 3, factor of 44 11 multiplied by 2 square. Least common multiple of 11 22 33 and 44. 11 multiplied by 2 square multiplied by 3, 11 multiplied by 2 square, 2 2s are 4 multiplied by 3, 11 4s are 44, 44 multiplied by 3, 44 3s are 132. Exercise 3D. Find the LCM of these numbers by prime factorization and express in index form. Find the least common multiple. Least common multiple of these number by prime factorization and express in index form. 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. Factor of 21, 3 multiplied by 7, factor of 14, 2 multiplied by 7, factor of 42, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, factor of 84, 2 square multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7. Least common multiple of 21, 14, 42 and 84. 2 square multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, 2 square, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12, 12 multiplied by 7, 12 sevens are 84. 4 multiplied by 12, 4 multiplied by 12, 4 12s are 4 3 are 12, 12 multiplied by 7, 84. Relationship between HCF and LCM, highest common factor and least common multiple, product of any two numbers, the product of their HCF and LCM. ACF and LCM. Exercise 3E. Check the ACF LCM relationship with these pairs of numbers 12 and 15. Factor of 12, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, 2 square multiplied by 3, 15. 3 5s are 15. Highest common factor of 12 and 15, 3. Least common multiple of 12 and 15, 2 square multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, 5 3 the 15, 15 4s are 60. Now product of 12 and 15 equal 12 multiplied by 5, 15 equal 180. Product of LCM and ACF, 3 multiplied by 60, 300, 3 6 are 18. Hence product of 15 and 12, product of their ACF and LCM, to prove that. Part B. 30 and 75. 32 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, 2 3 the 6, 6 5 the 30. 75, 3 multiplied by 5 square, 5 square 5 are 25, 25 3 the 75. Least common multiple, 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 square, 150. ACF, 3 multiplied by 15, 3 multiplied by 5 equal 15, 5 3 the 15. 30 multiplied by 75 equal 200, 250, and 15 multiplied by 150 equal 2250. Hence proved. Part C. 56 and 35. 56, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 7, 2 cube multiplied by 7. 35, 5 multiplied by 7, 7 multiplied by 5, 7 5 is 35, 5 7s are 35. Highest common factor of 56 and 35 equal 7, and least common multiple of 56 and 35 equal 2 cube multiplied by 7 multiplied by 5, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 7s are 56, 56 5s are 280. 56 multiplied by 35 equal 1960, and 7 multiplied by 280, 1960. Hence proved. Part D. Part D. 39 and 65. 39 and 65. 39, 3 multiplied by 13, 13 3s are 39, 65, 13 5s are 65. Highest common factor of 39 and 65 are 13. LCM, least common multiple of 39 and 65, 3 multiplied by 13 multiplied by 5, 13 3s are 39, 39 5s are 195, 39 multiplied by 65, 2535, and 13 multiplied by 195. Product of the values, and ACF multiplied by LCM 2535. Hence proved. Question number 2. Answers these questions. Two product of two numbers is 160 and their LCM is 50. What is their ACF? Product of numbers 160, LCM 40, highest common factor क्वेश्चन मार्क, यही फाइंड करना है. हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर फॉर्मूला, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ नंबर डिवाइड लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल. 160 डिवाइड 40, 160 डिवाइड 40, 4 4 द 16, 0 0 से कैंसल. हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर इक्वल 4. thus highest common factor of these number is 4. Part B. If the product of two numbers is 360 and their ACF is 5, find their LCM. Product of number 360, ACF 5, LCM, find the LCM. LCM, least common multiple, product of numbers divide highest common factor. 300, putting the value of product number 360 and put the value of ACF 5. 5 7 are 35, 1 carry, 5 2 are 10. Least common multiple 72. Thus LCM is 72. Part C. The ACF of a pair of number is 6 and their LCM is 90. One number is 12. Find the other. Product of numbers LCM multiplied by ACF. 90 multiplied by 6. LCM least common multiple 90 and ACF 60. 600, 6 9s are 54. If one number equal 12, other number 540. 540 divide 12 equal 45. Thus other number is 45. Exercise 3F. Four friends go for an evening walk together. Their pace measures 75 centimeters, 80 centimeters and 90 centimeters respectively. Find the minimum distance each should cover to walk the same distance in complete whole paces. The minimum distance each should cover is equal to the LCM of 75, 80 and 90. 75 same, it's carry down, and 2 4 the 80, 2 2 the 4, 1 carry, 2 5 the 10, and 75 is carry down, 2 2 the 4 0, and 45 is same, it's carried down. 75 is carried down and 20, 2 10s are 20, 45 is carried down. 75 is carried down, 2 5s are 10, 45, 75, 3 2 the 6, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, 5 carry down and 3 1s are 3, 1 carry, 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Least common multiple, so 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply by 2, 2 की power 4 multiply by 3 square multiply by 5 square, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 multiply by 6, 16 multiply by 6, 3 3 the 9, 3 3 the 9, 6 multiply by 9, 6 multiply by 9, 6 multiply by 9, 54, 54 multiply by 25, 1000 and 1350 multiply by 5, 3600, 3600, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 multiply by 9, 16 multiply by 9, 144, 144 multiply by 5, 720, 720 multiply by 5, 3600. Question number 2. Chickasaws are sold in pack of 10 and loaves of bread in pack of 12. What is the minimum number of each you have to buy in order to make whole sandwich without any wastage? To make sandwich we need 2 loaves of bread. There are 12 loaves in a packet, so we can make 6 sandwiches using 1 pack of bread. Now multiples of 6, 6, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 30, 6 6 is 36, 6 6 is 36, 6 7 is 42 and carry on. Multiples of 10. Table of 10, 10 1s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 10 3s are 30, 10 4s are 40, 10 5s are 50 and carry on. Therefore, minimum sandwich that can be made from 30 squares and using 30 multiplied by 2, 30 multiplied by 2 loaves of bread. Thus, we have to buy 3 packs of swags and 5 packs of bread in order to make whole sandwich without any wastage. If each sandwich is made by 2 swags, then total packs of swags needed are 6. Needed are 6. And exercise 3F. 3F exercise. Question number 7. Question number 1, 2 and question number 3. Some exercise books have to be arranged in piles with 10 or 15 or 20 books per pile. What is the least number of books needed to do this? Least numbers of books needed to make piles of 10 or 15 or 20 books is equal to least common multiple of 10, 15 and 20. 10, 15 and 20. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12, 12 5 the 60. Thus 60 books are needed to make piles of 10, 15 or 20. 10, 15, 20. 2 5 the 10, 15 carry down and 20, 2 10 the 20. 5 carry down, 15 carry down and 5 10 the 50. 5 1 the 5, 5 3 the 15, 5 1 the 5, 3 1 the 3. Question number 4. The capacity of two water tanker is 850 liters and 950 liters respectively. What is the maximum capacity of the container which can be used to measure water from both the tanks exactly? How many times will be container have to be filled to empty the two tanks? Solution: the maximum capacity of the container must be equal of the ACF of 850 and 950. To find the ACF of 850 and 950, was them into prime factors. 850, 2 multiplied by 5 square multiplied by 17, 5 square, 5 5 the 25, 25 to the 50, 50 multiplied by 17, 850, 950, 5 5 the 5 square, 5 5 the 25 multiplied by 2, 25 to the 50, 50 multiplied by 19 equal 950. Highest common factor of 850 and 950 equal 2 multiplied by 5 square, 5 square to 5 5 the 25, 25 to the 50. Thus maximum capacity of the container is 50 liters. Total water in two tanks 850 divide plus 950 liters, 1800 liters. Number of time container have to be filled to empty the two tanks. 1800 divide 50. 1800 divide 50. 0 0 से cancel. 5 3 the 15, 3 carry, 5 6 the 30 equal 36. Thus container have to be filled 36 times to empty the two tanks. Question number 5. There are 4 Dahlia plants in a flower bed. A flower bloom on the first one every 2 days, on the second one every 3 days, on the third one 6 days, and the fourth one every 8 days. If all 4 plants are blooming today, when will be the next time that they bloom again? Solution: let all 3 bloom together on Monday. Multiple of 2, table of 2, 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10, 2 6 the 12, 2 7 the 14, 2 8 the 16, 2 9 the 18, 2 10 the 20, 2 11 the 22, 2 12 the 24 and so on. Multiple of 3 and multiple of 6 and multiple of 8 same. LCM of 2, 3, 6 and 8 equal 24. Least common multiple 24, 24, 24, 24 and 24. Least common multiple of 2, 3 and 6 equal 24. Therefore, all 4 blooms together after 24 days. Question number 6. A lighthouse flashes every 40 seconds, another lighthouse flashes every 50 seconds. If they flash together at 10 p.m., when will they flash together again? They flashes together first time at 10 p.m. Multiples of 40, 40, 80, 42 the 80, 43 the 120, 44 the 160, 44 the 200, 45 the 240, multiples of 50, 51 the 50, 52 the 100, 53 the 150, 54 the 200, 55 the 250, and so on. Now LCM of 40 and 50 equal 200. 200, 200. After 200 second, flash together 200 3 minutes 20 second, flash together 200 seconds. Therefore they flash again at 10:03 p.m. value, 10:03 p.m. value. Question number 7. Question number 7. What is the largest number that divides both 55 and 73, leaving remainder 7 and 9 respectively? 55 minus 7, 48, and 73 minus 9 equal 64. Now we find ACF of 48 and 64. 48, 2 power 4, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, multiply by 3, 16, 3 the 48, 2 power 6. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, 32 the 2, 32 to the 64. ACF highest common factor 2 power 4 equal 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Thus ACF of 48 and 64 is 16. Now if it is divide 55 and 73 with 16, then we get 7 and 9 reminders. Question number 8. The green light changes after every 30 seconds in traffic signals A and after every 45 seconds in traffic signals B. If both signals change together at 5 p.m., when will they change together next? The both signals change together first time at 5 p.m. Multiple of 30, 31 the 30, 32 the 60, 33 the 90, 34 the 120, and so on. Multiple of 45, 45 1 the 45, 45 2 the 90, 45 3 the 135, and so on. LCM of 30 and 45 equal 90. 90 is the common number. So the change together after 90 seconds, 1 minute and 30 seconds. So they change together 1, 5, 1, 30 p.m. Question number 9. Two ribbons of length 270 centimeter and 180 centimeter are to be cuts into strips of equal lengths. Find the length of the longest strips. How many strips can be cut from the ribbons? The length of the longest strip, ACF of 270 and 180. To find the highest common factor of 270 and 180, we split them into prime factors. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 3 4s are 12, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5, 2 9s are 18, 0, 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, 2 5s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. The longest length of strip equal 90 centimeter. Number of strips can be cut from the ribbon of length 270 centimeter. 270 centimeter divide 90. 90 0 0 से cancel, 9 3 the 27. Number of strips that can be cut from the ribbon of length 180. 180 divide 90. 0 0 से cancel, 9 2 the 18. Two total strips that can be cut off equal 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 3 add 2 equal 5. Exercise 3F. Two co-prime numbers do not have a common factor other than equal. The two co-prime number is equal to 1. Number B, the ACF of two prime number, the ACF of two co-prime number is equal to 1. Co-prime number 1 ही होता है. The LCM of the two co-prime numbers is their dash, is their product. जब उन दोनों वैल्यूज को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो जो वैल्यू हमारे पास आएगी उन्हें मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, जो प्रोडक्ट करेंगे वो हमारा आंसर होगा. इफ A is a factor of B, their LCM D. A and B फैक्टर है तो उनका LCM D फाइंड होगा. If C is a multiple of इज द मल्टीपल ऑफ डी, सी को डी के साथ जो है मल्टीप्लाई किया जाए, देयर हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर इज डी, हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर डी फाइंड होगा, ए एंड डी, तो डी हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर होगा। द एसीएफ ऑफ एनी टू consecutive number is ACF of two consecutive number is 1. The value of 6 cube is 6 power 8 is 216 and all even numbers are multiples of 2. all even numbers are multiple, तमाम even numbers जो हैं वो 2 पर जो है मल्टीप्लाई होते हैं और 2 पर ही डिवाइड होते हैं। all prime numbers all except 2 और ऑड नंबर्स, ऑल प्राइम नंबर जो हैं वो 2 के अलावा जो है और इसके अलावा वो ऑड नंबर्स भी कहलाते हैं। 91 इज अ कंपोजिट नंबर बिकॉज इट हैज मोर देन 2 फैक्टर्स। 91 मोर देन 2 फैक्टर, 91 इज अ 2 फैक्टर, 91 इज अ 2 फैक्टर। and answer A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J, odd numbers and composite number. 91 is a composite number because it has more than 2 factors. Now we have completed our unit 3. Make sure the practice at your home. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.